Elon Musk announced Shiba Inu Coin will explode to 1 cent per Shib. Shib token. Shib is an Ethereum-based cryptocurrency that mimics Dogecoin, a meme cryptocurrency. Elon Musk's cryptic endorsements of the Shiba Inu token boosted the token's popularity. Musk, the world's most influential billionaire in the crypto world, earlier tweeted about the arrival of a new Shiba Inu puppy called Floki, which helped Shib gain attention. Today we're going to talk all about what Elon Musk revealed about Shib and will it reach $1. So watch this video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shib news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shib news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 2nd of November, shall we? The Shib token displayed the formation of a descending triangle pattern in the 4-hour timeframe chart. The crucial support for this pattern was at the 6/100,000th of a dollar mark, and the crypto traders can grab an excellent short opportunity for them once the price gives a proper breakdown from the support neckline. The current price of the Shib token is 645 10/millionths of a dollar, with an intraday loss of 1.22%. The MACD indicator shows both the MACD and signal lines moving above the neutral zone, indicating an overall bullish momentum. However, these lines currently show a steady fall towards the middle line, projecting strong selling in this token. Conclusion: from the technical perspective, the overall trend of the Shib token is still bullish. However, as mentioned above, the token chart displays a bearish pattern in its chart, which could prolong this retracement phase. Anyhow, the crypto traders should wait till the price doesn't give a proper breakdown from this pattern before they take a new short position in this token. Now let's get back to the topic. Elon Musk has 57.5 million followers on his Twitter handle, and soon many of them invested in the new cryptocurrency. Shiba Inu Coin could be considered a rival of Dogecoin, considering how they both have a similar symbol of the Japanese breed dog. And if that was not enough, Shiba Inu Coin also goes by the nickname Dogecoin Killer. The official website of Shiba Inu describes itself as an experiment in decentralized, spontaneous community building, founded in August 2020. The Shiba Inu coin also came to the spotlight last month when Vitalik Buterin, the world's youngest known crypto billionaire and founder of Ethereum, donated 50 trillion Shib tokens, worth around $1.2 billion, to India's COVID relief fund, founded by entrepreneur Sandeep Naliwal. Elon exactly tweeted that, "My Shiba Inu will be named Floki." Commenting on Musk's tweet, many users wondered what was the meaning behind Floki. Some guessed that the name meant the Marvel comic character Loki with an F, while others shared memes on how the tweet could prompt a crypto war among Dogecoin users and Shiba Inu coin investors. Meanwhile, Musk also continued to express his dislike for Bitcoins. The SpaceX founder bashed Bitcoin maximalists of those investors who believe Bitcoin to be the only cryptocurrency that would actually rule the decentralized currencies. Further, let's not forget that with the launch of Shibaswap on Tuesday, the team behind Shiba Inu opened a new chapter in its history, according to the blog post. Shibaswap is so popular because it is offering high APY for staking Shiba Inu to early adopters. People who are willing to take a relatively high-risk, high-reward bet are flocking to Shibaswap to stake their coins. This is all a part of Shiba Inu's transition to a proof-of-stake protocol, which relies on miners staking coins rather than using computational power to solve complex algorithms. This is very similar to Ethereum's proof-of-stake transition that is occurring later this year. Although it's rising as the broader crypto sector is falling, Shiba Bone at the current price of $5.60 trades sharply below its all-time high of about $16. That leaves many investors eager to know Bone crypto price prediction. If the crypto can maintain a monthly growth rate of 20% from now on, it could finish 2021 at about $15, suggesting about 170% upside to the current level. Assuming a long-term monthly growth rate of 10%, Shiba Bone crypto price could surpass $1,000 in 5 years. That implies nearly 20,000% upside potential to the current price. To put it in perspective, an investment of $1,000 in the token at the current price could yield $200,000 profit by 2025. Per FX leaders, Coin Bureau suggested that the coin's success could hinge on Dogecoin's drop in success. Dogecoin was one of the biggest cryptocurrencies in April and May, especially as Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted and chatted about it before falling off. Coin Bureau further added that where Shiba Inu and Dogecoin differ are the connections they have to the crypto community. Doge is really just a meme and nothing more. As community-driven as Shiba Inu is, there definitely seems to be some seriously prolific people behind the project. It is expected that the self-claimed Doge killer Shiba Inu can reach at least 95 10 millionths of a dollar towards the finish of August 2021. If it continues to rise, we can say that the cost will be 300 thousandths of a dollar in January 2022. But by the calculations, there's a very low probability that it will reach $1 by 2025. Will Shiba Inu reach $1? Just how high up can the Dogecoin killer Shiba Inu reach in the next few years? Dogecoin has already launched several online campaigns, albeit unsuccessfully, aimed at catapulting the meme currency above $1. This then implies that if Shiba Inu is to beat Doge, especially when it comes to per token price, it too has to set its target above $1. But considering that there currently are only 135 billion Dogecoins and 1 quadrillion Shiba Inu tokens, is a $1 valuation of SHIB tokens actually feasible? So will Shiba Inu reach $1? The crypto community is sharply divided with regards to Shiba Inu's ability to reach $1, but the general feeling is that the SHIB token will not come anywhere near $1 in the foreseeable future. And to understand why it's not feasible for the coin to reach $1, you only need to look at Shiba Inu's maximum token supply. The coin's maximum token supply is capped at 1 quadrillion tokens, which implies that Shiba Inu would amass a 1 quadrillion market cap if the token were to reach $1. This is more than 20 times the national GDP for the US in 2020, and 500 times the current market capitalization of the entire crypto industry. At the current price, Shiba Inu would need to grow its value by 11.5 million% to reach $1. This translates to consistent growth of more than 1.6 million% for the next 7 months if it hopes to reach parity with the dollar by the end of the year, or 210,000% per month consistently for the next 4.5 years if it expects to reach $1 by December 2025. After running through these numbers, crypto market experts and investors are confident that it will be highly unlikely for Shiba Inu to reach $1 this year or anytime soon. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!